2025 is finally here, and let me tell you something exciting. AI isn't just the future anymore. It's the present. And if you're not leveraging these tools, which I'm going to tell you in a moment, then my friend, you are missing out on an incredible opportunity to transform your life and career. Over the past 6 months, I have personally tested out hundreds of AI tools, and trust me, every tool has some unique features to offer. But today, I'm bringing you the absolute best of the best. I have narrowed it down to 8 game-changing AI tools that have completely transformed my workflow. Hey everyone, I'm Napkin AI. Before we dive in, if you're excited to supercharge your productivity with AI, smash that like button and subscribe to Digital Anke for more valuable content like this. In this video, I'll walk you through each tool's unique capabilities, exactly how I integrate them into my daily workflow. Now, let's kick things off with the first tool that literally changed the way I work. I have divided these AI tools into 2 categories, mainly content creation and productivity. The first one is Flux AI. If you have been on Instagram lately, you have probably noticed something incredible taking over your feed. I'm talking about Flux AI. It's gone totally viral and it's changing the way we think about creativity and design. Now, let me tell you what makes Flux AI such a game changer, especially for creators like us. Imagine this. You type out a simple text prompt or upload a photo, and within seconds you have stunning ultra high quality image, animation, or even video. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's AI at its finest. But what really got people buzzing on Instagram were the use cases. Let's break them down. Creators and brands are using Flux AI to generate jaw-dropping visuals for posts, stories, and reels. Flux AI isn't just about the images. It's also creating dynamic videos from text or photos. Imagine turning your still vacation pictures into a cinematic slideshow with natural motion and smooth transitions. It's like a reel maker's dream come true. Marketers are leveraging Flux AI to design eye-catching posters and even logos. So why did it blow up on Instagram? Well, users started sharing their creation with tags like #MadeWithFlux, and it just snowballed from there. So if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Go try it out and see your creativity take off. The second tool which I'm going to talk about is Google's Notebook LM. It's like having a research assistant right next to you. I have been using this tool for the past few months, and trust me, this tool not only saves you time but also ensures that you never miss out on key information, allowing you to stay informed and make quicker, smarter decisions without feeling overwhelmed by lengthy content. Especially when you're traveling and want to read some of your saved ebooks or videos, you can't keep watching it or reading it for hours. Instead, you put that URL of the blog or video link into Notebook LM platform, and it instantly converts that to an audio podcast. This is amazingly helpful and saves you a lot of time. Another thing is that imagine if you have like 100 pages of PDFs or documents of something, and if you want to go through all of them, then it's going to take a lot of time. So instead, I can add them to Notebook LM, and it gives me summaries, FAQs, and bullet points. And also, if you want, you can ask questions about it, and it gives you the highlights about the PDFs and docs. You get a detailed overview of those PDFs or docs and help you to understand in a simple way. The best feature, it can handle multiple documents simultaneously and create connections you might have missed. It's a game changer for content research. So Notebook LM is a fantastic productivity AI tool, I would say. I think you all should try it out and adopt it to your workflow to improve your productivity. Which brings us to the third tool, that is Napkin AI. Napkin turns your text into visuals, so sharing your ideas is quick and effective. The way it works is that you start by entering or pasting your text and choose from the range of infographics options. Napkin then generates the most relevant visuals based on your text. Then you pick the one that best expresses what you have in mind. This is incredible. You can convey the same message instead of text into an infographics form. It will be amazing. You can use it in your blog post, PPT, presentation, etc. And you can customize it with icons, emphasize with the different shapes and styles, and you can use connectors to convey the structure and choose from a range of colors and fonts. I use it for my clients' PPT presentations, and the feedback I get from my clients is excellent. So it's a nice way of presenting the presentations. The infographics created in Napkin can be used everywhere. Export them as PNG, PDF, or SVG to upgrade your blog posts, social media posts, or PPT presentations. When it comes to pricing, you can start with a starter plan and even professional plan only during beta version. Later, it's chargeable. So don't worry, you can try it out when it's free. It's absolutely fine. Alright, the next AI tool in our list is Heen. And trust me, this one is a total game changer. But with Heen, snaps finger, it's like having a digital production studio in your pocket. So what you are seeing now is actually created by AI. Sounds crazy, isn't it? I was not sitting in front of the camera and talking. These videos were completely created by Heen. Can you imagine how efficient this can be for your content creation work? Let me show you exactly what this AI tool can do. Record 3 to 5 minutes of video footage from your webcam or with your smartphone and create a digital version of yourself. Upload that video into the Heen platform and see the magic within a few seconds. Once your digital avatar is ready, you will get an email notification. Customize everything from facial expressions to body language. Pro tip, record in a good lighting conditions for the better avatar quality. To create videos with your avatar, you just need to write your script or get some help with the built-in ChatGPT and watch an avatar read it flawlessly in one take. Now, here is where it gets crazy. Watch this. One video instantly translated into 175 plus languages in minutes. Maintains natural lip syncs, preserves your tone and speaking style, perfect for global audience expansion. I use it strategically for specific type of content like tutorials, podcasts, demos and multilingual videos while keeping my main content 100% authentic. It's about working smarter, not harder. You can get started with a free plan and create 3 videos per month up to 3 minutes length and export it in 720 pixel quality. And the interesting part is that you can use this tool to provide services to your clients. How? Nowadays, business owners and entrepreneurs are becoming influencers and they want to create videos. Unfortunately, they don't have time to do so. Here is your opportunity. You can pitch them by saying we are a digital agency and we are specialized in AI content creation and we can help you create content with your AI avatar and you can focus on your business. This sells exceptionally well. Try it out and let me know your experience in the comment section below. But Heen is incomplete without the next tool which I'm going to share with you now, which is 11 Labs. If you're into podcasting, voiceover or any kind of audio content, 11 Labs is your new best friend. The voice cloning and AI generation capabilities are mind-blowing. Create a perfect digital copy of your voice by uploading 1 to 2 hours of your voice samples. Generate natural sounding voiceovers in multiple languages. Add different emotions and styles to your voice. This saves you hours of time because you don't have to record your voice again and again for podcasts or YouTube videos. Basically, you need to train this tool by uploading lengthier hours of audio of you speaking. That helps this tool to train proper and provides better output. You can't see much of a difference with your voice versus AI voice. It gets better when you train this tool by uploading long hours of your voice to see the better results. I've been using this tool for my Instagram reels and the quality is insane. You can use it with Heen for the ultimate content creation combo. The next tool which I'm going to share you is Sunno AI. Is just an incredible tool if you want to create background music for your YouTube videos, shorts, reels, short movies and much more. And the best part is it's custom made and unique as per your need. Creating custom music used to be a massive headache until Sunno AI came along. This tool is revolutionary for content creators. It generates custom background music for your videos, create unique jingles and theme songs, adjust the style and mood of music instantly, no copyright strikes or generic royalty-free music. Every piece is unique and it fits your content perfectly. And this is wonderful for content creators, especially when you use background music from other sources. You never know when you get copyright issues. If you can afford to spend, then tools like Epidemic Sounds, Premium Beats provides amazing soundtracks with licenses, so you don't get any copyright issues. If you can't, then you can try it out Sunno AI to create custom background music and you can actually use it in your video. The biggest problem content creators face, especially vloggers, is that they try to go to public places, events, etc., where they would be playing some movie songs and all of those. During editing, if they remove all of them, then it's fine. Otherwise, if they simply upload without removing the audio, then they would get copyright strike or copyright claim for their content. That's why tools like Sunno AI can be the game changer for content creators to create amazing, original and custom background music and earn money from their content. The 7th tool in our list is Claude. Claude has become my go-to AI assistant for pretty much everything. Writing and editing scripts, analyzing trends and data, providing detailed research and insights. What sets it apart is its ability to engage in nuanced discussions and provide well-reasoned responses. Claude is an AI tool built by the Anthropic team, designed to simplify tasks, enhance creativity and make problem solving faster. It's not just another chatbot. So what exactly can Claude do? Let me break it down for you. Content creation, from writing blog posts, drafting emails or even brainstorming social media captions, Claude can generate high quality text quickly and effortlessly. Who can use Claude AI? Claude is versatile enough to be useful for everyone. Students can use it for research and study support. Professionals can boost productivity and streamline workflow. Small business owners and freelancers can handle branding, marketing and and even admin tasks more efficiently. Creators can unlock new levels of creativity for content generation and brainstorming. How is Claude AI shaping the future? Claude is more than a tool. It's a glimpse into the future of human AI collaboration. It's helping businesses scale, coding for developers, enhancing creativity, and driving innovation. By making advanced AI capabilities accessible to everyone, Claude is reshaping how we think, work, and create. This is just the beginning of what's possible with Claude AI. If you want to explore its capabilities and see how it can transform your life, now is the perfect time to dive in. Let me know in the comments how you'd use Claude AI. Ultimately, the last tool in our list is from Google that sets to revolutionize how we interact with the web. That is Project Mariner. So what is Project Mariner? It's an AI agent developed by Google designed to help you automate complex tasks within your Google Chrome browser. Powered by Gemini 2.0 model, Mariner can understand and navigate web content in real time. It can do things like clicking buttons, filling out forms, and handling other web-based activities, basically acting as your personal assistant for your online tasks. But here is what even more exciting. Mariner is part of Google's broader push into the agentic era of AI. What does that mean? It's about creating models that aren't just smart but can also comprehend their environment, anticipate your needs, and act autonomously, all under your supervision. Of course, right now Project Mariner is in its early stages. Google is testing it with a small group of users through an experimental Chrome extension. While it's already showing great promise, there are still some hurdles like improving its accuracy and speed. But knowing about Google, they're actively working on these challenges to make Mariner more powerful and user-friendly. So why does this matter? By integrating AI agents like Mariner into the tools we use every day, Google aims to streamline workflows and boost productivity. Imagine delegating routine or complex online tasks to Mariner while you focus on the bigger picture, whether that's strategic planning, creative work, or simply focusing on what matters most to you. It's an exciting step forward, and I can't wait to see how this evolves. What do you think about Project Mariner? How would you use an AI agent like this in your daily life? Let me know in the comment section below. There you have it, 8 best AI tools that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. And which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, it's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. Follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK for more tips on digital marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating.